Hi guys, today we will learn about spiral model. What is spiral model? Here we discuss about spiral model, the diagrammatic representation of this model appears like a spiral with many lobes. The exact number of lobes in the spiral is not fixed. Each lobe of the spiral represents a phase of the software process. For example, the innermost lobe might be concerned with feasibility study, the next lobe with requirement specification, the next one with design, and so on. Each phase in this model is split into 4 sectors. The following activities are carried out during each phase of spiral model. Here we can see diagrammatic representation of spiral model. Determine objectives, identify and resolve risk, customer evaluation of prototype, develop next level of product. Spiral model. First quadrant, objective setting. During the first quadrant, it is needed to identify the objectives of phase. Second quadrant, risk assessment and reduction. A detailed analysis is carried out for each identified project risk. Steps are taken to reduce the risk. For example, if there is a risk that the requirements are inappropriate, a prototype system may be developed. Third quadrant, development and validation. Development and validation. Development and validate the next level of the product after resolving the identified risk. Fourth quadrant, review and planning. Review the result achieved so far with the customer and plan the next iteration around the spiral. Progressively, more complete version of the software gets built with each iteration around the spiral. Spiral model. The spiral model is called a meta model since it encompasses all other life cycle models. Risk handling is inherently built into this model. The spiral model is suitable for development of technically challenging software products that are prone to several kinds of risks. However, this model is much more complex than the other models. This is probably a factor deterring its use in ordinary projects.